All right, so we've got our beautiful refrigeration, we've cooked, we've washed our dishes.
Yes.
What are we missing? What else do we need to talk about?
So I would love to show you our new steam convection oven.
Steam convection in an oven. All right, let's check that out. I love it. So this oven is a convection oven,
It is. It's our steam convection oven.
but we also have, and this is new, a reservoir, so it's a steam oven.
It is a 100% steam oven, but it is also a traditional oven in that we have a bake element, a traditional broil element, and a convection element and fan.
Oh, so it's two appliances in one, really.
It is 12 cooking programs,
Okay.
5 steam programs, and then when you're in a traditional cooking program like convection roast, maybe you just want to add a little steam.
Oh, okay, I love that. It's
Now-
a steam injector.
Yes, so now I can add steam at different intervals, so low, medium, and high, depending on what I'm cooking.
Yeah, so when I bake bread, I like to take a spray bottle and in the oven to create a little steam to help create a more durable crust. And I like that I can just hit the button and it's done for me. And that's a really cool feature because sometimes it's either steam or oven, but it's not both. And I like that you have that control here.
It is. And then, let's not forget our steam programs. We have over 50 automatic steam programs. So scroll through there, pick a category, and when you touch on that, you'll get additional categories underneath. For example, maybe we want to roast a whole chicken. All you have to do is tell the oven the weight of the chicken, and it will cook that chicken perfectly brown on the outside and moist and juicy on the inside.
Yeah, one of the advantages of steam is because it's so much more dense than air that it automatically cooks faster.
It does. It penetrates the food differently than traditional heat.
So a 4.5-pound chicken in 1 hour.
Yes.
That's a speed oven
It
essentially
is.
as well.
It really is. It's at least 25% faster with steam.
That's fantastic. We've got a traditional oven underneath this as well.
We do.
And we've got all kinds of settings here as well.
We do. And we offer on this oven our rotisserie. That's one of our tried and true signature things that we've always had on our Thermador wall oven.
I see that we have remote start.
Remote start, once again,
Same
right
app.
from your phone.
I love
Same
that.
app.
I love that, being able to come home and my oven's roaring, ready to go, so I can stick that frozen pizza in there. Yeah, yeah.
And we do have a pizza mode for that. So
No way.
right there. There's your pizza mode.
Oh, I love that.